have made tons of videos about Bamboo and investing as well, so please check out my other videos if you'd like to learn how to invest in US stocks, invest in the stock market with Bamboo and all of that. I know you're here for a different reason, so let's just get right to it. Now, one of the features that was rolled out recently by Bamboo is the ability to basically save in Naira, right? And they are giving the highest interest rate when it comes to that at the moment. According to them, you can pretty much come to Naira savings and of course save in Naira. So we're going to be doing that because I want to show you how to do it. So I'm going to click on proceed here. This goal, I'm going to call it rent. So let's say I want to save my rent on Bamboo. How much am I looking to save? I'm looking to save 5 million. So I'm going to enter 5 million. Continue. How long do I want to save the 5 million for? I'm gonna do 90 days, which is 14%. If you do 180 days, you get 16%. If you do 365 days, you get 18%. In this case, I'll be doing 90 days, and I'm looking to basically save 5 million in 90 days. So let's get started. Fund your plan now. Basically, they expect you to have some money down already, like maybe 5k, 10k, 1k, it doesn't matter. In this case, I am going to start with 100k, and let's click on preview. So it says deposit amount is 100k, start date is of course this, tenure is 90 days, annual percentage is this, automatic rollover. They didn't describe what that is, so I don't know what that means, but I'm guessing it's basically the ability to extend it after the first 90 days. You can pretty much extend it. Now, make this a recurring top up. This is the part where you have to take to pretty much automatically top up the amount every month or every week, or basically you select the billing date and everything. So in this case, I would like to be topping this up by, say, let's do 20k per week. So let's do 20,000 Naira every week. Then it will ask me to select where the money will be taken from. Well, it's going to be taken from my my credit card, basically my Nigerian credit card. But for me to put my Nigerian credit card, of course, I have to add the card to my Bamboo account. One of the questions I also get asked a lot is, hey, is Bamboo safe? Can I add my card to Bamboo? I think it is. I've been using Bamboo since 2020. After the whole COVID, or during the whole COVID incident, that's when I started using it to invest in stocks, and I haven't had any issues with them. They're also very responsive. You can talk to the customer support team if you have any issues, and they will pretty much get back to you on Instagram DM or via email. Now I'm going to add my card details. It says I'll be redirected to the issuer's platform. It says thank you for the payment. I can close this now. Now it should take me back to the page. So since it's not responding, I'm just going to click on the back button. Let's go back and click on this. Okay, the card has been added. This is the card, so I'm going to select it. So again, it's asking me for card because I set up recurring top up. Now the billing day, well, I have to select a day of the month that the amount will be taken from my account. Today is 17th, is okay, basically the time of the month. So let's say 20th of every month, maybe. Or maybe let's just do end of the month because I'm a salary earner. So let's do end of the month. This is the card it's taking the money from. How much is it taking? 20k. I'm gonna click on proceed. Select payment type. So it says here, if you have money in your Bamboo wallet already, you don't have to pay any fee. if you have money in your Bamboo US dollar account, you don't have to pay any deposit fee. But if you're depositing from like a credit card or NGN debit card, you have to pay 1,399 through Flutterwave. I do have money in my Bamboo wallet, so I'm going to click on this. It says your saving plan of 100,000 Naira for 90 days has been successfully created. Now it pops up this because they currently have a challenge going on where if you deposit money, you stand a chance to win 1 million Naira. I don't want to participate, but if you want to get more information about this one, about this challenge and everything, check Bamboo's Instagram. You're going to see that there. So I'm going to close this now. Right, so it's basically like PiggyVest Safe Lock. You're locking your money here for the next 90 days or 180 days or 365 days, and you're getting interest ahead of time. So you have the interest here, up here, because I just saved 100k. I obviously cannot get it out now unless I click on break. But let's see what happens when we click on break. It says here that you will lose your interest, and they will also penalize you because this was 100k. So why am I? It says breaking this savings plan will result in potential loss of 50% of accrued interest. Well, it's not a good thing to break your savings, obviously, because yeah, this is not looking good. So I'd rather not. But as you can see here, that is how all of this works. But let's see if they really took 100,000 Naira from my Bamboo wallet. I'm going to open the Bamboo app again and go and check my Naira balance and see. Here in my account as well, you can see they took 100k and then they gave me 3k. Where's the 3k from? Well, the 3k is basically the interest that I have already accrued or made up here from depositing 100,000 Naira. So they basically gave me 3,000 Naira as the interest. They already give you the interest. So they already give you the interest while the saving is on for that duration. So I am not allowed to break my savings until, of course, the 15th of June. And if I want to top up now, I can just click on this and add more money. Let's say I want to add maybe 20,000 Naira or 10,000 Naira. I can go ahead and also do that as well. From where my balance. Okay, says top up. So now here I have 110k, and every deposit they basically give me my interest ahead of time. So it's like PiggyVest Safe Lock, or just using PiggyVest in general. And according to them, their interest rate here on Bamboo is the highest. I'm not advertising Bamboo, but I use Bamboo heavily, so you might want to check this out. But that's it. That's how to do this. If you have any questions for me, please don't forget to leave the questions here in the comment box, and I will be happy to respond. And don't forget to check out my other videos on investing, stocks trading, and of course using Bamboo and PiggyVest and co. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you around. Bye.